Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can convert your Bitcoin into your local currency. In my case it's euros using Binance. Binance Convert has almost no fees, so you don't have to worry about that, and it just takes a few seconds. I will also show you how you can withdraw the money to your bank account with very low fees using Binance. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go into trade and then convert. And here you will see you have market or limit. In my case, I recommend market, which means we will be selling the Bitcoin at the current market price. And here you will need to choose spot or funding depending on where you have the money at. In my case, I have the Bitcoin at my spot wallet, so I will leave it like this. Now here you will need to select Bitcoin, and here you will need to choose your local currency, in my case euro. Okay, in this case I will get 10 euros, and this is the amount of Bitcoin we will be converting into 10 euros. Now let's preview the conversion. Here you can see the price you will be selling your Bitcoin at, and you can see there are no fees. So let's convert. And now it's on. We can go to our wallet. And here you have euro. Let's click and go into trade. Now let's withdraw. And choose your currency, in my case euro. You can see I have 10 euros, and here we just choose between these two options. We can see there are different fees. Just choose the one you like and continue. Now in this case I don't want to withdraw my money, but you will need to link your bank account in order to get the money, but I don't want to do it, so I will just close it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.